Hi guys! Today we are learning how to use Microsoft Copilot on iPhone without using the voice assistant. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Microsoft Copilot app. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all of Copilot's features. Once the app opens, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. Now, tap the message box in the middle of the screen and type any prompt or question you want to ask. Instead of speaking, simply enter your request using the keyboard. This allows you to use Copilot entirely through text. After typing your prompt, tap the send arrow on the right side of the message box. Copilot will process your request and generate a response within a few moments. You can continue the conversation by typing additional prompts. If you don't want to use the voice assistant, simply ignore the voice button and continue chatting by typing your prompts. At the moment, the voice assistant option cannot be removed or hidden, but you can use Microsoft Copilot normally without ever tapping it. And that's how you can use Microsoft Copilot on your iPhone without using the voice assistant. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.